just friends, just so we said, but your smile lived inside my head. Little by little, it all made sense. I didn't just need a friend, I needed you, not just beside, but as the love of my life. Now we hold hands like it's always been, like every almost was destiny's spin. Turns out the best kind of love in the end is the one that starts as your best friend. We were just friends, not anymore. Now I'm yours and you're who I adore. From quiet glances to love that stays, we've come so far in the sweetest way. And now when someone asks how love began, I'll say we started as just friends.